Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pratisha and today I am going to start with a new topic which is financial planning. We already discussed planning in chapter 4. Now it's the time to discuss the financial planning. Let's clear the word planning. Planning is deciding in advance what is to be done, how it is to be done, by whom it is to be done. If we are discussing the financial planning means planning related to the finance or arrangement of finance. Financial planning means making estimation or making budget of finance. Okay, making estimate करना capital की, that how much capital is required for the business operation is the financial planning. Financial planning also involves raising of fund. Raising of fund means to say that how much the fund we have to raise, from whichever sources we have to raise the fund. Either from the owner's fund or the borrowed fund, we have to raise funds involve the financial planning. It involves the proper utilization of the fund. We have raised the fund, okay, we have to invest that fund, okay. There is number of investment plan, we have to select from that most appropriate one plan for making investment. We have to select most appropriate one plan for making investment. Okay. Hopefully the financial planning is clear to you all. Financial planning involves some of the financial plans which involve the short-term plans and the long-term plans. Okay. Short-term plans are the budget. A company make budget. Okay. It make the estimation of capital which is the company. कि किसी भी कंपनी के पास कितनी एस्टिमेटेड कैपिटल है, एज पर दैट ओनली अ कंपनी मेड investment, okay, in investment in the particular plans, investment plans, okay, कि इससे ज्यादा हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, इससे ज्यादा हम कैपिटल रेज नहीं कर सकते. इज द शॉर्ट टर्म प्लान्स. If we are dealing with the long term plans is the long term investment which is known as a capital expenditure. If we are making investment in the fixed asset, है ना, like plant, machinery, equipment, it give result in the long term period which give higher rate of return in the long term period. Hopefully this is clear to you all. Now coming to the objective of the financial planning. Objective of the financial plannings are ensure the availability of fund whenever required. ये देखना कि अपन ने कैपिटल बजटिंग जो बनाया था, अपन ने जो एस्टिमेटेड कैपिटल बनाया था, एज पर दैट अ कंपनी इज एबल टू गेट दैट कैपिटल एट अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. जितना एस्टिमेटेड कैपिटल चाहिए है कि वो कंपनी और बिजनेस फर्म के लिए मिल पा रहा है या नहीं. इज दैट क्लियर? And seeing that a company is able to meet all the day-to-day expenses or the company is having all such sufficient amount or the sufficient capital which is actually needed by a particular company or a business firm. ये देखना कि किसी बिजनेस के फर्म के पास या कंपनी के पास इतना सफिशिएंट अमाउंट है कि वो अपना डे टू डे एक्सपेंसेस मीट कर पा रहा है या नहीं, जो रिक्वायर्ड फिक्स्ड एसेट उसके पास है या नहीं, वो फिक्स्ड एसेट को खरीद पा रहा है या नहीं. ये सब देखना इज द इंश्योर ऑफ एबिलिटी ऑफ फंड. इंश्योर, इसके बारे में हमको पता होना चाहिए कि कंपनी के पास सफिशिएंट कैपिटल है या नहीं जो उसको चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट टू सी दैट अ कंपनी शुड नॉट रेज व्हाट अननेसेसरी फंड. ये भी देखना कि जितना एस्टिमेशन बनाया था, जितना बजट बनाया था, एज पर दैट ओनली अ कंपनी इज हैविंग दैट मच ऑफ फंड. ओके, अ कंपनी शुड रेज द estimated fund which has been estimated or which has been estimated in the particular plan. जो हमने प्लान बनाया था, as per that only a company is raising fund or not. अगर उससे ज्यादा एक्सीड करेगा फंड तो it is the planning is not effective. Whatever the financial planning we have been made previously is not effective one. We have to make clear cut idea regarding that. Okay. The unnecessary fund कभी भी रेज नहीं करना चाहिए. If unnecessary fund is raising by a particular company or a business firm means their planning is failure. There is no effective planning for that. The planning is totally failure. Hopefully this is clear to you all. Now coming to the importance of planning, importance of financial planning. To importance of financial planning are मेक द फॉर्म बेटर टू प्रिपेयर द फेस फ्यूचर। मीन्स आज अपन क्या करते हैं, आज से ही तैयारी करते हैं फ्यूचर में कोई भी अनसर्टेनिटीज हो, ओके, कोई भी अनसर्टेनिटीज हो, कोई भी कुछ ऐसा हो अनकंडीशनल जो हो, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, आज से ही तैयारी करते हैं। वी प्रिपेयर अवर सेल्फ टू फेस फ्यूचर, इजंट इट सो? वी प्रिपेयर अवर सेल्फ टू फेस फ्यूचर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, before sitting in the exam, okay, we already prepare for 2 or 3 months, है ना, to score high in the exam, isn't it so? If you're preparing for the board exam, you need to study 2 or 3 months, okay? After that only you're going to attempt the particular exam. So today we are preparing, है ना, for the future, isn't it so? For example, your company or a business firm, this to have, for example, you are making prediction actually, your company or a business firm this to have 30% sales in future. Actually, we cannot make a surety that we have been increasing sale by the 30%. It might be 10% also, it might be 20% or more than that. We can make prediction only, we cannot make a surety, or we cannot give a surety that what is actually going to happen in the future. We can only prepare ourselves to face the future, isn't it so? Right? Now coming to the next, help in avoiding the shocks, business shocks and surprises. How we are going to avoid the business shocks and surprises? If we are making or we are preparing ourselves to face future, isn't it so? If we are dealing ourselves, है ना, if we are dealing or if we are make sure that we have all such thing of, if we are dealing that the business is uncertain, isn't it so? We all know that business is uncertain. We make plans or we make planning for the future, isn't it so? If we make such effective planning, है ना, or we make assumptions or we make predictions what may happen in the futures, if we are ready to face all such things, if we are in a condition that whatever the scenario in future we are dealing with, that future is have to avoid the business shocks and surprises. Right now? Right? Now come to next is the coordinate various functions. Yes. Coordinate means, if we are dealing with the word coordination, is the synchronizing of activities, synchronizing of different activities. There are 5 functions of management, are the planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. If we are dealing with the coordinating word, means if we are correlating with the financial planning. If we make plan, after planning we have to organize, okay, किसी भी प्लान को बनाया है तो उसके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज भी करना पड़ेगा. एज सेम इफ वी हैव एस्टिमेट बनाया है कैपिटल का, देन वी हैव टू रेज द पर्टिकुलर कैपिटल, है ना. इफ वी हैव बीन ऑर्गेनाइज सच एक्टिविटी, वी हैव टू स्टाफ, ओके, वी हैव टू रिक्रूट द पीपल फॉर दैट. आफ्टर रेजिंग particular fund from a different sources, the next step of what? The next step of utilization of that particular fund. And the same as directing. We have to direct, okay, we have to see all such things, है ना. Then after that the controlling. सब देखना कि as per that all such things are happening. Controlling means जो अपन ने प्लान किया था और एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस हुआ है उसको मैच करना. व्हाट आर द डेविएशन इन दिस दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड, ओके, वी हैव टू टेक करेक्टिव मेजर फॉर दैट, इजंट इट सो. सो ऑल फंक्शंस आर बीइंग कोऑर्डिनेटेड विद ईच अदर, मींस कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विद ईच अदर. जितने भी फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है वो क्या करते हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं एक साथ, एज सेम इन दी फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू दी प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फंड. यस, इफ वी हैव रेज्ड फंड, है ना, आफ्टर मेकिंग एस्टिमेशन वी हैव रेज्ड फंड, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ यूटिलाइजेशन, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूटिलाइज दैट फंड. Because there are number of investment plan, the thing is that how we are making the we are making or investing in a most fruitful way, or how we are going to invest our fund in most fruitful way to get more rate of return from that, isn't it? So we are making investment for the longer period of time. So how much our planning is going to be effective to give higher rate of return to us is the proper utilization of fund. Isn't it so? Now coming to the next, link present with future. How link present with future? Because if we make plan for future only, because planning is always futuristic. Because we can take experience from the future, but we cannot totally back. Okay, हम सब कुछ पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देख सकते. We can take experience from the past. We cannot make planning for past, because जो निकल गया उसके लिए थोड़ी कोई प्लानिंग करता है. We have to plan for the future only, because planning is forward looking. Isn't it so? Because financial planning is forward looking. Isn't it so? Now coming to next, match actual performance with the planned performance. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग ये भी बताता है कि हमने कितना एस्टिमेट बनाया था, कितना एस्टिमेट बजट का बनाया था, उसके अकॉर्डिंग कितना एक्सीड हुआ हमारा कैपिटल, हमने कितना एक्स्ट्रा एडवांस रेस किया, क्या हमने एक्स्ट्रा एडवांस रेस करके हमारी प्लानिंग को इफेक्टिव बनाया या इनइफेक्टिव बनाया है, ये भी कौन बताता है? फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. If we are doing work or we are investing under the estimation of our budget, means it is a good and effective planning. If we are exceeding from that, if we are borrowing more money or we are taking extra additional capital, then your planning is not at all good. The planning is not at all effective one. Hopefully the financial planning objective and importance is clear to you all. Please keep watching this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.